TBM, or Total Body Modification technique, to help your body to heal itself from any imbalance or deharmonization without using any drugs or medications. TBM knows that the most important system of the body is the nervous system. This system coordinates and controls every single function of the body. The nervous system is formed by the brain and spinal nerves that travel throughout the entire body from the spine. Therefore, while doing some small corrections called adjustments, the nervous system will start working in a correct manner, allowing your body to heal itself. This is the chiropractic principle. TBM uses muscle testing, commonly called kinesiology, to diagnose a problem. First, we find a strong muscle in any dysfunctional organ, or deharmonization, with a substance that is harmful. That results in the muscle testing and becoming weak. TBM uses reflexology points to diagnose an organ function. When a point is touched and the muscle test results in a weak muscle, this indicates that there is a functional problem at that specific organ. Another way to diagnose is the use of vials. These are homeopathic radionic substances in small glass tubes that do not contain anything except the electromagnetic information of a substance, like a virus, a bacteria, food, or allergen. By putting the vial on the solar plexus, if the body reacts to that substance, then the body will become weak. The correction will be made by a double impact gun that will provide small adjustments on the spine. Depending which organ is affected, a specific adjustment sequence will follow corresponding to that particular organ. To make this easier to understand, let's use the analogy that our body is a computer. In fact, it is the best computer ever invented. The brain and the spinal nerves are the central computer or processor. Our chest will be a touch screen. Like in your computer, you have icons that represent specific programs like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. In your body, there are specific points in your chest that represent a specific organ, like your liver, kidney, and others. We can also use the vials like a CD to check to see if your body is affected by any substances. This will be put on your solar plexus. If you're not allergic or have that specific problem, then your muscle will test strong. If you do have that allergy, then your muscle will test weak. To correct the problem, we use the chiropractic technique. Imagine that your spine is your keyboard. Therefore, you will reprogram your computer by hitting specific points on the spine. After the correction, the allergen will be tested again and your body must be strong. After reprogramming your body as with a computer, the information must be saved. We will put some blocks under the patient until the information is saved, and this is like the hourglass that appears on your computer. We will also close the computer by blocking again. In the case that we cannot do the muscle test with a patient, like for example with a child, we will use a surrogate person that we can work through them. It's like the example of how the doll sings when the circuit is closed. This way, the treatment is highly comfortable, efficient for children and the whole family. We will use a surrogate. For the treatment to work and get maximum results, the patient must be in a sugar control program and has to drink 1 quart of water for every 40 pounds. TBM, the natural choice to treat allergies, depression, attention deficit disorder, recurrent infections, and many other diseases. Fast, safe, and easy.